Now let us see something interesting here. So we have government wherever we are living, whether it is India, China, Japan, America. So whichever country you live in that country there are laws and there are system. So similarly, the same system is also available in the universal government. What are those things? Like for example, health ministry or law and order. So there are law and order in this country, in this government. Similarly, there are law and order in the universal government. And what are the laws and order in the universal government of God? So I am just trying to give a comparison between our government and the universal government. In our government, the Prime Minister is the head. He is a controller. And in the universal government, God is the head and He is a controller. Now there is a department called law and order. So whoever commits mistake, they will be punished. So similarly, in the universal government also there is a law and order. For example, if somebody is smoking, drinking, having some illicit connections, so they also have to suffer. There is a law and order. If you break the law made by God, then you have to suffer. So all of us, we are aware that on the smoking pack of a cigarette pack, there is a point written. It is very injurious to health. But still people smoke and they have to struggle. They have to pay the price for it. So my point is here, there is a law and order in our government and there is law and order in the universal government also. So then there is supplying of food. So our government, they supply, they get food grains, fruits, vegetables and they sell it in the market. So similarly, in the universal government, there is a facility that you just sow a seed, it becomes tree and you get your food, grains, everything. And then there is water supply, right? We have, I am from Bangalore and we have a water supply board called BWSSB, Bangalore Water Supply Board. So similarly, there is a water supply even in the universal government. How? In the form of rain. And we all have studied how the ocean water, which is salty, which is not drinkable, and goes to the sky, becomes cloud, the water vapors, and those vapors get purified and we get water which is pure water, not salty water like in the ocean. And the water supply board is also there in the universal government. So then there is a ministry of social welfare. They supply food, grains, everything, and the same thing in the universal government also through nature. So nature gives all these things. Then there is a ministry of energy, right? Electricity board. The electricity board helps us to get lights. Similarly, the universal government gives sun and moon. Sun and moon gives us light and energy. Hope all of you are able to follow me the difference or similarities in our government and in the universal government. Now we see there is a finance ministry who take care of finance, that is wealth. The nature also gives wealth. And what kind of wealth? Gold, silver, pearls, diamonds, all these things are available in the creation, in the universe. Nobody makes it. So that is the point. So then there is health ministry which takes care of hygiene and sanitization, everything. So similarly, the sun and moon cleans up everything. The rains clean up everything. It gives actually hygiene. So then there is defense ministry. Why defense ministry is required in our government? To protect us. Friends, similarly, there is a defense ministry in the universal government. For example, there is ozone sphere which actually protects us from very difficult rays. And interestingly, even in our body, there is a system called blood clot. Sometimes I get wounded, there is a cut on my hand and blood starts gushing out. After some time, there is a natural blood clot. Who makes that? Friends, just imagine If there was no system called blood clotting system, the first cut in our life will be the last day of our life also. Meaning, one cut on our body, all the blood will just flow out and we will die. But that system, that protection system is also taken care by this universal government. Now, a small quiz question to all of you. So, what lessons did we learn making the comparison between the government, our government, and in the universal government? There are a lot of similarities, right? So, what are the lessons from the universal government we can learn? This universe we are living in is owned and controlled by God. And behind every government, there is a prime minister, and behind the universal government, there is God.